Alright, so I got these headlights from Humstar on Amazon. They're H11s, 6000K, which means it's basically white headlights, the whitest that you can get. They're 60 watts. And just take a look at them. It's pretty cool. So it comes with like your manual, just kind of tells you about the headlights, how they were made, and some instructions on how to set it up, or some details. Here's the instructions. So these are the lights, and they actually have a fan, so it's pretty cool. They're so bright and powerful that you actually have to keep them cooled, even though they're LED. So these are a lot brighter than your average ones. So it actually has this little pack right here to increase the power. So I like how it was all put in here. It's like very organized and looks very nice. The box is really cool looking, because it's not just a standard boring looking box, but it has some really good manuals and things. Alright, let's put this in my Hyundai Genesis. H11s can basically go in any vehicle. They're pretty universal, probably the most standard. Now we'll just pop this up, and right in there, right there, is this piece. Let's see if I can get it to actually focus inside though. Okay, so this piece will just loosen up. I don't know why my phone is like messing up like that though. It comes right out. Inside there, you also need to twist the bulb and pull. So I have an LED one. Holy cow, focus thing. I'll squeeze this and pull it. See if I can do that with one hand. Use my second hand. There we go. Okay, so once you got it out, then you should have this type of connector. Yours will probably look different if you have a different car, but either way, all we need it to do is plug into this. It doesn't have to be the exact style, but it does need to be an H11, or at least compatible with an H11. So we'll just grab this and we'll plug it right in. Probably not going to be the most visible though. Okay, there we go. Stick it in, plug it in. Should snap. And before you really do anything, you turn on the car and make sure the light actually turns on. And there we go. So it's super bright. The fan's on, so it's keeping it cool. Holy cow, it's actually pretty hot already. Wow. Yeah, that's a lot brighter than my LED light bulbs. Just kind of keep spinning it until it kind of falls into place. And then you spin it clockwise, and there we go. Yeah, you're just gonna have the cord hanging out like that, and you just tuck it inside in that little area, and then just put the cap on. That's all tight. Now you're just gonna put it all back together. Stick this piece back on, stick it through the hole. And screw this back together. Okay, so here's what the old one looked like. It's this one on the far right. So that's how bright it is. And then here's the other one. As you can tell, it's a lot wider compared to this one, where it's kind of like pretty dim. But if it was darker, you'd be able to see the difference a lot more. But you can actually see a little bit of a difference. See that? And that's like during the day, and that's like 60 feet away, so that's pretty good. Alright, so it's Humstar that makes this.
Hey guys, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe.
Also guys, don't forget to look at our channel. There's lots of videos on there. Plus, scroll down and look at our description. There's links to the video, as well as there's products that we